What is up, T.O.Gs? We've been dropping Atlas 3.0 videos left and right for you guys. Today's video is going to be on the installation of the Pinlock Protectint sun reactive fog resistant insert lens. That's a mouthful, but essentially what this is going to do is eliminate the need for me to have a smoke lens, carry one around, switch that out when I've got to do that, or have sunglasses in my bag, have to take my glasses off, put the sunglasses on, put the regular glasses back in the bag. All of that is so much work. Because this doesn't come with a drop-down visor, which is typically what my helmets have, I went with the Pinlock Protectint insert. So what we're gonna do is install this today. We'll have a full review of how well it works, how well it transitions from light to dark. All of that we'll have in future videos, but today's is just gonna be the installation. Okay, so this comes with this cleaning cloth, which, you know, cleaning cloths are always good. I always like having a microfiber cleaning cloth to clean my face shields, you know, just because it's going to protect them. This is essentially a cleaning cloth with an advertisement on it. But here is the Pinlock insert. It might look like it's an odd color. So because I spoke with a representative from Ruroc, they were saying that people were having trouble getting the protectant into their face shield, that they were saying that the fit isn't great and that they were having trouble getting this in. So because I had a little insider information, I've been told that once you get this pin lock on one side, that you can just bend the face shield out to get it to go in. So all right, so essentially you just got to bend the face shield out a little bit, and that is in there. It is in there the way it's supposed to be in there. And we're going to have protection from fogging. And again, like I said, we'll have a full review of the actual protectant and how well it works, how fast it transitions, all that good stuff. Also, I mean, obviously we'll check and see how well it does against the sun, which is its main purpose. So we're just going to put it here on the lid so you guys can check that out too. And there you go. There's the protectant lens. Obviously there's fingerprints on it. But again, a full review of the Protectint Pinlock insert for the Atlas 3.0 is forthcoming as soon as I can get out on the bike and test it out in sunny conditions. But guys, if you have any questions regarding the Pinlock Protectint visor insert for the Atlas 3.0, make sure you leave those in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And if I can't, I will track down that answer for you. If you liked this video, you found it helpful at all, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Guys, if you are out there riding, please be safe. Be kind to one another. My name is Eric. I'm that one guy, and I am